In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best cordless glue guns available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the cordless glue guns mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, WOYOFADA 18V Cordless Hot Melt Glue Gun. The WOYOFADA 18V Cordless Hot Glue Gun is a must-have for home DIY projects. Equipped with an intelligent chip for precise temperature control and a ceramic PTV element for rapid heat-up, it ensures smooth glue application. The use indicator light provides clear operation status, while its high-capacity battery offers extended usage. Whether for crafts or repairs, this glue gun delivers convenience and efficiency with its cordless design. A reliable tool for DIY enthusiasts. Number 4, Cordless Hot Glue Gun for Dewalt 18V/20V Max Battery. This cordless hot glue gun is designed for Dewalt 18V/20V Max batteries, making it a perfect fit for DIYers and professionals. Featuring an advanced PTC heating system, it heats up quickly for efficient glue application. Built-in low-voltage protection ensures safety, while its ergonomic design makes handling comfortable. Ideal for crafting, home repairs, and creative projects, this glue gun offers reliability and performance, making it a great addition to any toolbox. Number 3, Cordless Hot Melt Glue Gun for Makita 18V Battery. Designed for Makita 18V B Series lithium batteries, this cordless hot glue gun is a versatile tool for home repairs and DIY projects. It features an intelligent chip for optimal heating temperature and a rapid heating chip for quick glue melting. The built-in trigger push device ensures smooth operation, while its lightweight and portable design make it easy to use anywhere. Whether crafting, fixing, or creating, this glue gun delivers convenience and efficiency. Number 2, Cordless Rechargeable Hot Melt Glue Gun DIY Tool. This cordless rechargeable hot glue gun is perfect for home repairs and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a high-quality copper nozzle, it ensures precise glue application. It is CE Rose certified, guaranteeing safety and durability. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers cordless convenience, making it easy to use anywhere. The package includes 10 PCS of 7mm glue sticks for immediate use. Whether for arts, crafts, or repairs, this glue gun is an efficient and reliable choice. Number 1, Cordless 50W Hot Melt Glue Gun with 30 PCS glue sticks. This 50W cordless hot glue gun is ideal for DIY projects, crafts, and home repairs. Designed for compatibility with Milwaukee, Dewalt, and Makita 18V lithium batteries, it offers versatility and efficiency. Its anti-drip design prevents glue leakage, while the low-voltage protection and heat-resistant tip ensure safety. With 30 PCS of glue sticks included, it provides everything needed for various applications. Whether for creative projects or fixing household items, this glue gun is a reliable choice.